This video is about how to access the cleaning areas on your ComfortBilt HP21 pellet stove. As always, make sure that the unit is unplugged before performing any repairs. On the ComfortBilt HP21, there is something that is not included in the owner's manual, and that is for cleaning the ash and debris that gets above the baffle on the inside of the firebox. If you were to reach up, you can feel that there is a ledge that runs across and it vents down. Ash will build up on top of there, and when you use the scraper rod, the ash that falls from that is going to land on top of the baffle. That baffle does come out, and it is taken out by removing these two nuts off of the screws and then pulling the screws out from the inside of the stove. There is also two that are over on this side, which are on each side of the door hinge. Inside the HP21's firebox, there are baffles on the inside. This is a vermiculite. The primary reason for this is to reflect heat away from the hopper and have it come in towards the room. On this stove, generally, this panel, the right side, the left side, and the centerpiece, these do not need to be taken out and removed for basic maintenance. There's nothing behind them except for a piece of metal, and in fact, these two pieces are two separate pieces. There's a seam right here, so there's four pieces: 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you need to replace these, there is a bracket right above the top center. You can undo this bracket. It's hard to see with the camera up inside there, but there is a Torx 25 screw. You remove it, pull the bracket off, and then you can pull your panels out. You will also need to remove the burn pot. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.